Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can download and install Ubuntu 20.04 LTS version on your VMware Workstation player. So I am assuming that you already have installed VMware Workstation player on your Windows operating system. So now the only thing remains is the download of the Ubuntu 20.04 LTS ISO file. So let's see how we can download the Ubuntu ISO file. First of all, you can just search for Ubuntu, and the first link which will appear here will be from ubuntu.com. So I'm going to just click on this link, which is released recently. So here you will see our download tab here, and when you click on the download tab you will see the Ubuntu desktop. So you can just click on the version which is available, and most probably you may want to install the LTS version. Okay, so make sure that whenever you install Ubuntu, you install the LTS version. LTS means the long time support version, which will at last run for 2 years. Okay, so I'm going to just click on Ubuntu desktop, and here you will see the download button. So I'm going to just click on the download button, and when you click on the download button, the ISO file will be download on your Windows operating system. So this file up to 2 GB, so it will take some time to download. So I'm going to just cancel this download. So once you have downloaded this Ubuntu ISO file, we are ready to create our virtual machine on our VMware Workstation player. So on your VMware Workstation player, what you can do is you can just click on the create a new virtual machine, and then you just need to choose the option and then click next. And now choose Linux here, because we have installed Ubuntu, and by default you can see Ubuntu is selected here. You just need to just open the list and then choose Ubuntu 64-bit, and then click on next, and this will be the name of your virtual machine, which is Ubuntu 64-bit. You can also give the version, for example 20.04, and this will be the location where your virtual machine will be saved. So if you want to change the location, you can change the location by browsing. Now I am going to just click on next. Here you can specify the disk capacity. So let's say I want to specify this disk capacity of 100 GB here, and also you need to choose the second option here and then click on next. Now on this next window you just need to click on the customize hardware option here, and then you can just customize your hardware. So by default the memory give to our Ubuntu operating system by VMware is 2 GB, let's say 4 GB, and here I can go to the processor option. By default its processor, can choose it to the 4 processor cores, and then I will go to the next option here which says new CD DVD auto detect. Okay, so just select the option, and here click on the option which says use ISO file. Okay, so just choose the option and then select your ISO file and open. And once you have selected this file, you can also do the other setting, for example network adapter setting or sound card setting and display setting. So once you have clicked on the finish option, you will see that the your Ubuntu virtual machine is created. Now if you want to change your virtual machine setting at any time, you can click on the option. So I am going to just click on the option edit virtual machine setting, open, and you can once again verify the memory, processor, and then here disk, which is 100 GB here, and then you can also verify the ISO file which you have. So if everything looks good, just click on the select your Ubuntu machine and then click on play virtual machine. So once you do that, you will see the kind of window, and also you will see software update window also. So I will just say download and installed, and I will move this windows to the side, and you can see Ubuntu operating system is starting, and now you will see this kind of window. So here you just need to select the language in which you need to install your Ubuntu. I will select English and then click on install Ubuntu here, and then on this next window I can choose the keyboard layout. So let's say I am using the English keyboard layout. I will just choose the English language here, and then click on continue. And now in this next window you will see updates and software. I will leave it as default, and in addition I will check the checkbox also which says install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware, and now I will click on continue. And now on this next window you will see erase disk and installation Ubuntu option as it is, and do not worry, it's not going to erase anything from your Windows operating system. It is just on option in the installation of Ubuntu on the hardware. So just leave as it is and then click on install now. Now you will see this Windows. Just click on continue here, and now just choose the location which is near to you, physical location. Kolkata looks good for me. I will click on next button, and on the Windows you can give the name to your Ubuntu operating system, and we will just say username here, and then you can choose different name here, but I will choose this name, and I have chosen my password here. Password here, you may want to provide the password here, and then confirm your password, and then click on the continue button. And at this point this installation of this Windows on your VMware player will start. So now you just need to wait for the installation to complete. It may take some takes a few minutes for the installation is complete, so I will wait for the installation to complete. So now you can see this installation of Ubuntu 20.04 LTS version is finished, and it is give me this message which says installation is complete. You need to restart in order to use this new installation. So I will just click on restart now. Then this going to restart on Windows operating our window operating system, and it at this point it say please remove this installation media and press enter. So I'm just going to press enter at this point, and you can see the Ubuntu operating system is restarting, and now I can see this login window here. So here I can give my Ubuntu password which I have choice earlier at time of installation on the present, which is going to open the Ubuntu desktop. So I can see this desktop, so I can see this Ubuntu desktop here. I can click on the skip option here and then click on next and done, and now you are ready to use your Ubuntu 20.04 LTS version on VMware player on your Windows 10 operating system. So this is how you can install Ubuntu 20.04 on your VMware Workstation player on your Windows 10 operating system. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.